In the harsh heat of a dry land, people struggle with thirst, faces tired, lips cracked, water bottles empty, animals fall silent, desperate. A gust of wind blows through the dry air. Dark clouds swirl on the horizon, casting a shadow across the land. The sky rumbles with the sound of distant thunder. A 4-year-old child, wide-eyed, looks up. Suddenly, a single drop of water falls, landing gently on the child's forehead, rolling slowly down their nose. The child raises their tongue, tasting the drop as it slides down. The crowd around the child looks up in unison. A wave of disbelief and joy fills the air. As if on cue, a burst of rain pours down. The people, young and old, leap into the rain, laughing and dancing, their faces bright with joy and relief. The world is alive again. Each drop a miracle.